everyone. Welcome to SpicyTrade. At SpicyTrade, our goal is to provide you high-quality stock analysis based on daily closing price of the stock. Every day, we are posting 8 to 10 stocks on YouTube. All stocks are analyzed based on price trend and technical analysis. Today we will discuss POET Technologies Inc., stock listed as POET. Please note the stock analysis posted here is for information and entertainment purpose only. Please seek professional advice if you are engaged in buying or selling stocks. In addition, earning results and daily news may also change the stock price drastically. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Current price of the stock is 9.5. It is above yesterday closing price of 8. In addition, current price of the stock is above last week closing price. This is an indication of a bullish pattern. Last week, stock was trading at 7.88. The drawdown chart is also shown at the bottom panel. If value of drawdown is above the yellow line, then stock is uptrending, else downtrending. If drawdown is below blue line, then stock is oversold or under bearish pressure. If drawdown value is around 0, then stock is under bullish momentum. Let's check if the stock is trading in bullish or bearish mode. For this analysis, we will check 50, 100, and 200 days moving average. Current value of 50 days moving average is 5.77. 100 days is 5.51. 200 days moving average is 5.0. Based on this model, stock is trading above major moving averages. In addition, stock is trading above 20 days moving average, which is 6.51. This may give some positive boost to stock in next few more days. In summary, stock is trading above 9, above 20, above 50, above 100, and above 200 days moving average. In terms of moving average, stock is trading above 5 major moving averages, suggesting that long-term investors are showing interest in buying the stock. 20 days moving average is shown in green, and 50 days is shown in red. 100 days moving average is shown in yellow, and 200 days is shown in cyan. Their current values are shown on right side of the chart. Let's discuss in-out analysis. In-out analysis is shown in the middle panel. This indicator is used to track short-term performance of the stock price. Swing traders prefer to buy a stock. Based on in-out analysis, stock is trading under bearish momentum. Also, value of in-out histogram is still negative, indicating a short-term bearish momentum. Overall, in-out analysis is still above 0, indicating uptrend in the stock price. In addition to moving average, pivot points are also used to track minimum and maximum price of the stock. Current pivot price level is 8.78. It is shown as white line on the chart. 3 pivot support levels are 8.16, 7.27, and 5.76. 3 pivot resistance levels are 9.67, 10.29, and 11.8. Support levels are shown in green and resistance in red horizontal lines on the chart. On balance volume curve, its moving average are also shown on the middle panel. It measures the buying and selling pressure. Stock price will move up if balance volume is rising. Stock price will fall if balance volume decreases. On balance volume is shown in pink color. Its 6 days moving average is shown in cyan color. On the chart, we are showing you several trend lines. As you can see from the chart, lower lines are used for the support, and upper lines are used for resistance purpose. Usually, entry levels are always close to support and stop loss below it, while exits are always just below the resistance lines. Support and resistance lines are used to track the price pattern. In case of breakout, resistance will become support and vice versa. For entry and exit positions, always perform detailed analysis of support, resistance, and trend lines. let's discuss some technical indicators which are commonly used by investors. Since most of the technical indicators are delayed, therefore their performance is around 50% or less. Again, this may vary with the entry or exit position. One of the indicator used in the market is known as MACD and is shown in middle panel. As you can see from chart, current value of MACD histogram is increasing. Current value of MACD is 0.84, indicating some upside action in the stock price. MACD histogram is 0.28. Positive value of histogram suggests short-term upside action in the stock price. Other indicator is known as Relative Strength Index or RSI. RSI is also a momentum indicator and measured on a scale from 0 to 100. RSI plot is shown in middle panel of the chart. Current value of RSI is 68.91. Based on RSI plot, current value of RSI is decreasing. As a result, in addition to stock price, one yellow line is also shown on top panel. This is called PSAR and can be used to find price reversal direction if yellow line is below current price. Then stock trading under bullish momentum else bearish. Current value of SAR is 7.19, which is below current price of the stock. This is an indication of uptrend in the stock price. Let's discuss volatility of the stock. Current volatility of the stock is 95.52, which is above 30, and increasing over past few days. A sudden change in the volatility can give profit or loss in the stock value. One can think about lowest value of the volatility as starting point. Let's discuss Fibonacci retracement levels. Fibonacci retracement levels are used to find support and resistance levels. Traders believe that stock price may revisit Fibonacci levels after some time. Most frequently used Fib level is 61.8%, based on past 30 days price. Current 61.8% level is 6.68, based on 60 days price pattern. Current 61.8% level is 6.55. These levels are marked as yellow and white lines on the chart. In addition, stochastic oscillator are also shown in middle panel. Stock is trading in bullish momentum if stochastic are trending up, else stock is trading in bearish mode. Based on daily stochastic, current trend is bullish. Let's check the fish value of the stock. This can be used to test whether stock is bullish or bearish. A positive value of indicator shows that stock is bullish else bearish. Using two different methods, fish values are plotted in middle panel on the chart. Based on first method, it is shown in red and green color, while using other method, it is shown in orange and cyan color. Based on first method, fish value difference is 0.12, which is positive. Positive fish value means stock price is uptrending. Based on second method, fish value difference is 0.7, which is negative, indicating a drop in stock price. As we can see from the chart that fish values are greater than 0. Therefore, stock is still trading under bullish mode. Finally, let's discuss some major support and resistance levels. There are few horizontal lines drawn on the chart. Green lines are used for support levels, and red lines are resistance levels. Price always fluctuate between these lines. Stock breakout if current price moves above or below these levels. Current major support levels are 7.79 and 7.61. Current major resistance levels are 9.5 and 9.5. Support and resistance level will automatically change with price movement. Detailed analysis of the support, resistance pivot, and Fibonacci levels, if available, are shown inside a moving window on the chart. Current support levels are shown as S1 and S2, and resistance levels are shown as R1 and R2. Most of the numbers related to POET are also shown on right and top of the chart. In addition, Williams' percentage indicator is also shown in the middle panel. This indicator is shown in orange color and moves very fast. For a bullish signal, check if the indicator is above 50. Based on current data, a bullish signal was detected at 7.49. For stop loss, check if current price is below 7.49. You can also join us on Discord for unlimited charts and analysis. For more analysis, please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time.